Figure out the brand in 3 minutes. Smythson. Frank Smythson Limited is a British luxury manufacturer and retailer of stationery, leather goods, diaries, and fashion items, based in London. Founded by Frank John Smythson in 1887, the first store opened on New Bond Street. The brand has served notable clients, including the British royal family and celebrities like Madonna and Grace Kelly. In 1908, Smythson introduced the first featherweight diary, enhancing portability. Initially acquired by the John Menzies Group in the 1950s, the company underwent a management buyout in 1998 led by Sarah Elton, which facilitated its expansion into the UK, US, and France, along with online sales. By 2004, sales reached £12 million. In 2005, the company sought a buyer to ensure brand heritage, leading to a sale to Kelso Place Asset Management and King Street Partners. In 2009, it was sold again for £18 million to Greenwill SA, with Jacques Bobout becoming chairman. Smythson's collaborations with artists and designers include Holly Fulton and Jonathan Saunders.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.